Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Disney Plus app when it's not letting you log into your account. So let's get started. The most common reason for login issues is a weak or unstable internet connection. To test it, open any other app that uses the internet, not Disney Plus. Check if it loads properly. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. If the connection is the problem, this should fix your login issues. Now, if the issue continues, you might be using an outdated version of the Disney Plus app. So here's how you can do it. Open the App Store. Tap the search icon and type Disney Plus. If you see an update button next to the app name, tap it. Updating the app often resolve login bugs instantly. If updating didn't help, the app cache might be causing the issue. So to clear it, go to settings, scroll down and tap general and tap on iPhone storage. Find and select Disney Plus. Tap offload app and confirm, then tap reinstall app when the button appears. This refreshes the app without deleting your data. If you are still unable to log in, the final fix is a full reinstall. So go back to the Disney Plus app page, tap delete app and open the App Store again and download the app again. So this reset everything and usually fixes the problem completely. And that's how you can fix this app. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.